Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to halftone your artwork for DTF in Photopea, using easy steps to get clean and professional results. Step 1. Make sure your Layers panel is open by clicking the Layers button. Click on your photo, press Ctrl+A to select all, then Ctrl+C to copy the image. Step 2. Click the Add Raster Mask button to apply a mask to your image. Then click on the mask to select it, and press Ctrl+Shift+IV to paste the copied image onto the mask. Step 3. Hold down the Alt key and click on the mask layer. You should now see your entire image in black and white, which is perfect for making halftone adjustments. Step 4. Go to Select, then choose Color Range. In the pop-up, set the mode to Shadows and turn fuzziness down to 0. Adjust the range slider between 50 and 60 for a good balance, then press OK. Step 5. Now it's time to apply the halftone. Go to Filter, then Pixelate, and click on Color Halftone. Set the max radius to 5 pixels and the angle to 22.5 for best results, then hit OK. Step 6. Press Ctrl+D or go to Select and choose Deselect to remove the selection. Then go to Image Adjustments and click Threshold to remove grays, turning them into solid black or white for clean halftone output. Step 7. Once the threshold looks good, click OK. Then click back on the main image layer to see your halftone design in full detail, ready for your DTF print. Step 8. To preview how it looks on a dark background, create a new layer and drag it below your artwork. Press Ctrl+Backspace to fill it with the background color from your second color swatch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more smart design tutorials.